Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap on the Home button. Choose iOS Launcher and tap on it one more time. Click Got it, and now as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!